How to set up a Netgear router without the Nighthawk app. Connect your modem to the yellow internet port on the back of your Netgear router using an Ethernet cable. Next, connect your computer to one of the router's Ethernet ports. Press the power button and wait for the router's LED lights to turn on. Open a web browser and go to routerlogin.net. Log in using the default details. The username is admin and the password is password. Both are case sensitive. Once logged in, click Advanced, then select Setup Wizard. Choose Yes and click Next. The router will automatically detect your internet connection. Create a new admin password and answer 2 security questions. Click Next until you reach the Congratulations page. Continue to the Firmware Update Assistant. If an update is available, click Yes and allow the router to reboot. If not, click OK. After rebooting, log in again using admin and your new password. Your Netgear router is now fully set up without using the Nighthawk app.